Welcome to another day of virtual learning experience with My First Step. At the end of this video, you will be able to identify whether mixtures are homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Matter can be classified into two categories, given pure substance that includes element and compound, mixture that includes homogeneous and heterogeneous. Heterogeneous mixture is made of different substances that remain physically separate. A homogeneous mixture is the same all throughout. Solutions. Solutions are homogeneous mixtures of two or more substances. A solution is made of two components, namely the solute and solvent. A solute is a substance that is being dissolved in another substance. A solvent is present in larger quantity than the solute. A true solution is always homogeneous in nature. The particles of a solution cannot be seen by the naked eye. The solute particles in a solution cannot be separated from the solution by physical means. A solution that cannot dissolve any more solute at a certain temperature is called saturated solution. A solution that can dissolve more solute at a certain temperature is called unsaturated solution. The ability of a substance to dissolve in a solvent is called solubility. Suspensions. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture that seems homogeneous because the particles can be evenly distributed by stirring and shaking. After some time, some of the solute particles settle at the bottom. Sand and water, chocolate drinks, and fish sauce or bagoong are few examples of suspension. What are the characteristics of suspension? Suspensions are heterogeneous mixtures. The suspended particles can be seen by the naked eye. The solute particles settle down when left undisturbed. Colloids. Colloids are considered as the intermediate between homogeneous nature of solution and heterogeneous nature of suspension. What are examples of colloids? Foam, milk, and cheese. The particles of colloid are bigger than that of solution and smaller than that of suspension. Colloids are intermediate between solution and suspension. The particles of colloid are tiny or small enough that gravity cannot pull it. A colloidal mixture exhibits a phenomenon called Tyndall effect, or the scattering of light in a colloidal mixture. A solution does not exhibit Tyndall effect. A colloidal mixture exhibits a Tyndall effect when a beam of light is focused on it. What are the characteristics of colloid? Colloid is an intermediate between solution and suspension. The solute particles do not settle down when left undisturbed. The particles of colloid are big enough to scatter a beam of light. In a nutshell, a homogeneous mixture is the same all throughout. A heterogeneous mixture is made of different substances that remain physically separate. Solutions are homogeneous mixtures of two or more substances. A solution has two components, namely solute and solvent. A solution is a component that is being dissolved. A solvent is present in larger quantity. Solutions can be saturated or unsaturated. Thank you so much, and I hope you learned something from this video, and see you in our next virtual learning experience.